Hey, I just woke up. What's the money for?
You're still at my place? You need to get out of there as soon as possible. My girlfriend will be home soon. Use the money for an Uber.
Oh, I think she's now home. She's unlocking the door. Where the hell are you? I need your help. Hello?
My phone died, sorry. Are you under the bed?
Yes, I've been here for like 30 minutes. What should I do? You need to distract her so I can leave. You could have at least told me you had a girlfriend.
It doesn't matter. You shouldn't have slept in so late. Just stay under the bed. I'll be home soon.
I left the money out. What happens if she finds it?
What do you want me to do?
I need to pee. I can't stay here much longer. She's just walking around. You need to get her out of here.
I'm like an hour away. Just be quiet, I guess.
What do you mean? I can't stay here forever. I will just tell her you've been cheating.
Don't you dare. She'll call the cops if she sees a strange woman walking around her house in her panties. Do you want to go to jail?
Oh my gosh, I just want to leave. Can you call her or something? Wait, someone's at the door. Is that you? Oh, please.
Wait, what? Who's at the door?
How would I know? Did you forget I'm under the bed? His name is Jamal. She said, hey, Jamal.
Oh God! That's her ex!
They're in the bedroom? I think they're wrestling. The bed keeps squeaking and bouncing up and down.
What the hell? I'm almost home. I can't believe it.
Okay, see you soon. Are you nearly here? Where are you? Hello? Answer!
I'm here. Where did Jamal go? I'm going to beat his ass. Hello? Did you leave already? Dude, answer me!
He's hiding with me.